What's up guys, today's another video of Daniel Universe. Today we are making a salad. Let's go pick some tomatoes. Oh my god, this one. Should I pick this one now?
Yeah.
This will come in handy right now. Let me just do this. Grab this tomato. Sarcastic and put it here. I have picked 3 tomatoes. 1, 2, 3. Let's cut it. It's fully red. There we go. My basket. So this is a fully red tomato. It's one of my favorite kind of tomatoes. This is the tomatoes that I have picked. Now let's get some cucumbers. We cut some cucumbers and let's cut some tomatoes now. Tomatoes are really yummy and healthy for your organism. So please eat tomatoes of every kind, circle around oval. Tomatoes have a little weird taste. Oh, it has such a nice juicy inside. Look. My uncle just threw flowers everywhere. Why? Why did you do that? Oh my god! He's doing it multiple times. Cut some tomatoes. Cut some tomatoes, booty cheeks. It's healthy for your organism. Oh, this is yumminess expression. Let's cut this because it's too large. It's too bulgy and parasitely. And we have basil, parsley, rosemary. These are red peppers, not spicy at all, and onion, which I will not cut because it will make me cry. And you don't want to see Daniel cry in videos. It would be embarrassing. Oh my god, this is a perfect tomato.
Oh, it's so juicy from the inside.
Let's put these in. Surprisingly, grapes, which is super yummy and tasty, is good for your salad, so we are going to add that. My grandma just brought it to me. I have such a nice grandma and such a nice family. My grandma helped with cutting it. Now let's pour this in. I'm gonna cut this all. Sorry, I got a little mad when I cut parsley and basil. This is my grandma. First time in here. She cut the basil. Let's put it in. We don't need all. Let's get this. Crunchy, crunchy, crunch. Let's have this bad boy. It's so missing what you like. Let's grab the grapes and put it in. Salt. Olive oil. So this is how our salad looks. Like this video if you should film another video of Daniel Chef. Bye. Thanks for watching. Wow.